What are the smartest cars you can buy in America for $10,000? New car prices are crazy. The average new car costs over $48,000. But here is the good news. With $10,000, you can still make smart, reliable choices. Pick number 1, Toyota Corolla. First up, Toyota Corolla. Not exciting, not flashy, but it starts every morning without complaining. 2010 to 2013 models, $5,000 to $9,000. The 1.8-liter engine is indestructible. Parts are cheap. Fuel economy is 30 miles per gallon combined. A mechanic recently said, "Toyota is the king of reliability. If it has maintenance records, do not fear high mileage. A well-maintained Corolla with 140,000 miles outlasts a neglected one with 80,000 miles. Who is it for? Anyone who wants to go from A to B safely, without headaches or surprise bills." Pick number 2, Honda Civic and Fit. It is rare to find a weak point on a Honda, the mechanic said. The 2012 to 2015 Civic is a safe bet, $7,000 to $10,000. But the real star is the Honda Fit. 2012 to 2014 models, $6,000 to $9,500. It has magic seats. Fold them flat and it turns into a cargo van. Furniture, bikes, anything fits. The Fit is reliable, fun to drive, easy to park, and cheap to maintain. IC Cars named it the best 5-year-old used car. Who is it for? City dwellers, young families, anyone who values practicality over ego. Pick number 3, Mazda 3 and Mazda 6. Third, Mazda. Consumer Reports ranks Mazda as the third most reliable brand, behind Lexus and Toyota. The 2014 to 2016 Mazda 3, $8,000 to $10,000. It is fun to drive. Unlike the Corolla, it feels sporty and connected to the road. Driving is actually enjoyable. The 2014 to 2016 Mazda 6 is larger. Consumer Reports named it the best used car under $10,000 for 2025. Who is it for? People who want reliability but refuse to fall asleep at the wheel. Fourth, Toyota Prius. 2010 to 2013 models, $6,000 to $9,000. And it gets 45 to 50 miles per gallon. If you drive 15,000 miles per year, you save about $1,200 annually on gas. Over 5 years, that is $6,000. The car pays for itself. Warning: check the hybrid battery. Replacement costs $1,500 to $2,500. If it is already replaced, you are golden. Who is it for? Commuters, ride-share drivers, anyone who wants to cut fuel bills in half. Pick number 5, Subaru with a warning. Fifth, Subaru with a big warning. If you live in snowy states, Subaru's all-wheel drive is a lifesaver. The warning: head gasket issues. Older Subarus fail around 100,000 to 150,000 miles. Replacement costs $1,500 to $2,500. Always ask, has the head gasket been replaced? If no, walk away. If yes, you are golden. A clean Subaru Outback, Forester, or Impreza is a fantastic, safe, rugged car. Who is it for? People in harsh winter climates, outdoorsy people, families needing a safe daily driver.